Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're worried about financial security after retirement, you're in the right place. Today we're going to break down everything you need to know about pension income planning, why it's crucial, the different types, and how you can build a reliable income for your golden years. Make sure to watch till the end because we'll also reveal the best pension plans to secure your future. Let's get started. Life can be divided into 3 major stages, and each stage has a different source of income. First, learning stage, 0 to 25 years. This is the time we focus on education and personal development. Our parents take care of our financial needs. Second, earning stage, 25 to 60 years. This is our working period when we rely on active income from employment or business. Third, retirement stage, 60 plus years to lifetime. By this time, our active income stops and we need a steady source of passive income to maintain our lifestyle. The big question is, where will your income come from after retirement? Let's explore the options. There are 3 main sources of retirement income. Pension income, a regular and stable income that comes every month or year, ensuring financial security throughout retirement. Corpus income, a large sum of money received at the start of retirement from which monthly withdrawals are made to cover expenses. Reverse mortgage, a financial arrangement for senior citizens, allowing them to use their home equity to receive regular income while continuing to live in their house. Out of these, the most preferred option is pension income. Why? Because it provides stability, security, and peace of mind. Let's understand why pension planning is so important. Increase in life expectancy. One of the biggest reasons for pension planning is the increase in life expectancy. People are living longer, which means we need more money to sustain our retirement years. Let's look at some statistics. Life expectancy over the years. In 1970, 48 years. In 1980, 55 years. In 1990, 58 years. In 2000, 61 years. In 2010, 66 years. In 2020, 72 years. In 2030, 80 to 85 years. With advancements in medicine, better nutrition, improved living conditions, and health insurance, people are living much longer. While this is great news, it also means we need a strong financial plan to support us for an extra 20 to 30 years after retirement. Early retirement. Many people now aim to retire in their 50s or even 40s. Without proper planning, early retirement can become a financial burden. Retirement goals, traveling, hobbies, and spending time with family require financial stability. Maintain lifestyle. Retirement shouldn't mean lowering your standard of living. Inflation. Prices rise over time. Without proper planning, your savings may not be enough. Types of pensions. Now let's discuss the different types of pension plans. There are 3 main categories. Social pension, provided by the government such as Employee Pension Scheme, EPS. Occupational pension, offered by employers such as company pension plans, and EPF, Employees Provident Fund. Individual pension, a self-created pension plan where you invest in different financial instruments to secure your retirement. Since not everyone gets a government or company pension, self-created pension plans are becoming a necessity. Let's explore them in detail. There are 2 types of individual pension plans. First, accumulation phase plus pension phase, SIP, accumulation plus SWP, pension, PPF plus senior citizen schemes, LIC plus immediate pension plan. Second, deferred pension plans, National Pension Scheme, NPS, guaranteed income plans from life insurance companies, deferred pension plans from life insurance companies. Each plan has its own benefits, but the key is to start early and stay consistent. Things to consider before choosing a pension plan. Before choosing a pension plan, keep these 5 factors in mind. Is the pension taxable or tax-free? Some pensions are fully taxable, while others offer tax-free benefits. Is the pension rate guaranteed or variable? Fixed pension rates provide security, while variable pensions depend on market performance. Is the pension for a lifetime or a fixed period? Lifetime pensions ensure financial stability until old age. Does the corpus grow, stay the same, or decrease after the pension starts? Choose plans that increase or maintain corpus value. Is the capital protected or not? Always prefer a plan that protects your invested capital. Why guaranteed income plans are a smart choice. When it comes to pension options, one of the best and most secure choices is a guaranteed income plan. Here's why it stands out. Guaranteed pension rate, no market risks, ensuring steady income. Tax-free income, more savings, more financial security. Corpus remains the same or even increases, no depletion worries. Pension available till lifetime or till age 100, a lifetime financial safety net. 100% capital protection. Your investment stays safe. With these benefits, a guaranteed income plan ensures a stress-free retirement, allowing you to enjoy your golden years without financial worries. To sum up, pension planning is not just an option, it's a necessity. The sooner you start, the stronger and more secure your retirement will be. What's your retirement plan? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe for more valuable financial insights. Need expert advice? Contact us at New Ray Services today. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Stay financially fit and secure your future today.